Understanding, let me finish, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, let me finish. This phrase is often used in conversations, and understanding its nuances is crucial for effective communication. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting expression. Let me finish is a phrase used when someone wants to complete their thought or statement without being interrupted. It's often used in situations where the speaker feels they are being cut off or overlooked. This phrase can vary in tone. It can be polite or a bit firm, depending on the context and how it's said. 1. In conversations, when you're in a discussion and someone keeps interrupting you, saying, "Let me finish, please," is a polite way to ask for your turn to speak. 2. During presentations, if you're presenting and someone asks a question or interjects, you can say, "Let me finish this part, and I'll take questions later." 3. In heated debates, in a more intense argument, "Let me finish," can express frustration or assertiveness. It's important to use this carefully to avoid escalating the situation. While "let me finish" is a straightforward phrase, its perception can vary based on cultural contexts. In some cultures, interrupting is seen as rude, so this phrase might be more common. In others, it's normal to interject in conversations, and using this phrase might seem a bit direct or even rude. If you find "let me finish" too direct, here are some gentler alternatives. "May I complete my thought? Can I finish what I was saying? I'd like to finish my point, if that's okay." Let me finish is a simple yet powerful phrase in English communication. Understanding when and how to use it, along with its alternatives, can significantly enhance your conversational skills. I hope this video has been insightful and helps you navigate English conversations with greater confidence. Happy learning!